What's your name?
My name is Ayanda.
Ayanda.
Yes.
My name is Lee. Ayanda, I want to give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. 1,000.
Yo. Phelelisa amandla yazi.
Yeah, if he's loyal.
Yeah, uloyal umuntu wami ngiyamthemba.
Loyal.
Yes.
If you don't mind, ne? I want us to stop. We're going to be quick. Yeah. And then we're going to give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
Yes. How long have you
So
been
senza njani? Uzoyenza njani? Uzobona njani ukuthi uloyal?
Ngizomfonela mina then ngizofind out.
Okay.
Yeah. Umuntu wakho light skin or dark skin?
Or dark skinned.
Or dark skinned. Umuntu wakho, when last did you see him?
The day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday. Uyamthanda?
Oh, kakhulu wadololo. Oh.
Okay. So I'm gonna give you my phone. You're gonna type his number and then yamfonela and then sacheka ukuthi uloyal na.
Okay.
Yeah. So if umuntu wakho loyal uzothole 1,000 rand sometime. If yena athujola nobani not you.
Hayi, ngimthembile umuntu wami ngisho. Uzothi ndimi ngiyeva. Ngifone manje.
Awufona mina.